President Emerson Mnangagwa has removed Jessie Majome as chairperson of the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission after a sharp critique of the Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3. Majome was reassigned to the Public Service Commission with immediate effect. The move has been criticized as a punishment by many. This comes after Jessie publicly criticized the constitutional amendment process and listed the irregularities the commission had noted.
Following issues. The commission found most of the venues to be small relative to the turnout, leading to large numbers of potential participants failing to enter the halls to follow or contribute to proceedings. The Commission also found that while those in support of constitutional amendment were able to give their views, the Commission noted the harassment and intimidation of dissenting voices. Individuals and groups opposed to constitutional amendment Bill No. 3 were denied audience. Thirdly, the Commission observed instances where participants with divergent views to the proposed amendments were threatened, silenced, denied opportunities to contribute, and in some instances, physically attacked.
She questioned why ZBC was playing jingles promoting the bill while there were none for those opposed to it. She also spoke about violence against people who do not support the bill. Majome warned that some clauses could undermine democratic principles, weaken accountability, and erode constitutional safeguards. The Commission's position added to mounting criticism of the bill from legal experts and civil society organizations.
The Commission noted that there was a strong pattern of controlled participation across provinces. Some entrances to venues were often controlled by young people, with vetting at entry points and supervised sign-in registers with restricted access. For example, in Mashonaland West, there were men who were observed to be holding whips who were involved in vetting participants in Mondorongezi. Such conduct, the Commission notes, violates the rights enshrined in the Constitution, including the right to freedom of expression guaranteed in Section 61, the right to freedom of conscience guaranteed by Section 60, the right to human dignity in Section 51, the right to personal security enshrined by Section 52, and the right to equality and non-discrimination guaranteed by Section 56 of the Constitution. The Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission reiterates that the constitutional amendment process must align with obligations under international, regional, and regional human rights law, including the United Nations International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, which guarantees participation in public affairs, freedom of expression, and equality before the law, as well as the African Union's own Charter of Democracy and Governance.